Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel. Ito po yung i-review natin ngayon. Itong BYD Sea Lion 6 Plug-in Hybrid 5-seater. So bakit nga ba nabibenta ito parang hotcake? Let's go! Alright, the BYD Sea Lion 6 features a modern Ocean X face design language that combines sporty styling, aerodynamic efficiency, and premium SUV proportions. Its exterior is characterized by flowing lines, wide stance, and futuristic lighting elements inspired by ocean waves and marine aesthetics. So dito naman sa likod, it continues the ocean-inspired styling with a sleek full-width LED taillight bar that visually connects both ends of the vehicle. The taillights features the continuous LED light strip, ocean-inspired starlight lighting signature, sequential rear turn indicators, LED high-mounted brake lamp, and meron din tayo napapansin ditong spoiler, and of course merong third brake light, and very sporty po yung design dito sa likod. So dito naman tayo sa front fascia. The front fascia of the Sea Lion 6 has an aggressive yet refined appearance. It uses a wide grille with chrome horizontal accents that visually stretch the vehicle, making it appear broader and more planted on the road. So sa hood lines are sculpted with muscular and aerodynamic profile. So dito naman sa headlights, it has a U-shaped LED headlamps, sharp LED daytime running lights or the DRL. Then meron din tayo nakikita ditong crystal texture light strip integrated naman dito sa lighting assembly. And then we also have here the follow me home lighting function. May mga sensors tayong nakikita. And then manual headlight height adjustment, wide and bright illumination pattern for improved nighttime visibility. So, kung mapapansin natin guys, itong BYD Sea Lion 6 is has a very nice front fascia. For me lang ha, compared to the upcoming Sea Lion 7. So, dito sa side profile, meron tayong napapansin ditong slim fender na naka-matte black finish connected doon sa likod. So dito naman tayo sa size ng rim at saka yung gulong, it's 235/50 R19 with machine cut two-tone and naka 5 holes. So yung concern ko lang talaga dito guys for the BYD and even other electric vehicle, kasi wala tayong makikitang spare tire, no? So dito naman tayo sa side mirror, merong turn signal light repeater and combination of body color and piano black finish, and of course hindi mawawala yung 360 na camera. So dito sa handle, naka body color and parang may accent din na chrome. So of course keyless entry. Dito naman sa likod, yung stopping force is naka-ventilated disc brake. Alright. So, again, meron tayong spoiler with a third brake light. Naka-shark fin na yung antenna. And of course, hindi mawawala yung sunroof ni BYD for the Sea Lion 6. In terms of pala ng dimension, it has an overall length of 4,720 mm and yung width po niya is 1,860 mm and yung height niya is 1,495 mm. So dito sa likod guys, makikita natin merong 4 na sensors And merong reflector with an accent of a piano black finish dito sa baba. So napaka macho tingnan dito sa likod, lalong lalo na pag gabi. Napakaganda yung LED taillights. So of course meron tayong rear camera and naka LED na din yung plate light, and ito yung tinatawag natin na fog light dito sa likod. Umiilaw din yan. Okay, the Sea Lion 6 badge. In terms of suspension, it has a Mach person strut sa front, and dito naman sa likod is naka torsion beam ang setup. The Sea Lion 6 uses an advanced electronically assisted braking setup designed to provide strong and controlled stopping power while minimizing or maximizing regenerative energy recovery. Its braking technologies include intelligent power brake system, hydraulic brake boost, hydraulic brake assist, electronic brake force distribution, automatic emergency braking, auto hold, hill hold control, and the ABS with regenerative braking integration. So napakadami po yung features for this BYD Sea Lion 6. So dito naman tayo sa loob. Mapapansin natin guys, it's a tricolor. May orange, may parang brown and gray accent dito sa upuan, as well as sa side profile. Napakaganda and very elegant po yung design dito sa loob. Alright, so dito tayo sa side profile. May mga stitching na orange and light brown dito sa armrest. Ay naka-automatic naman lahat ng mga windows with a control ng side mirrors. Ayan, may accent dito na parang piano black finish and silver accents. And of course, naka-electronic yung adjustment ng upuan for the driver side. So, pasok tayo dito. It has 12.3-inch LCD digital instrument cluster. So, dito sa steering wheel, meron tayong nakikita ditong mga controls. Kasama na yung lane departure alert, cruise control, mga modes and other controls in which you can operate connected doon din sa infotainment. So merong black stitching yung steering wheel, naka leather wrap. Of course maganda yung design ng aircon vent dito sa driver side, and consistent yung stitching, orange at saka soft touch na silver or gray na color. So yung dashboard very elegant. Kaya siguro maraming bumibili dito for this BYD Sea Lion 6 kasi for me lang medyo maganda talaga yung accent dito sa loob ng sasakyan. So wireless na din yung charging. May dalawa. Tapos yung infotainment, it has 15.6-inch intelligent rotating touchscreen. So yung maganda po talaga dito sa BYD, not just this BYD Sea Lion 6 guys, is meron na talaga siyang voice command. So lahat na ipapagawa mo sa sasakyan, mga features, pwede siyang voice command. Like you open the windows, open the sunroof, rotate the screen, set the temperature of the air condition to this specific number. So very intelligent na talaga yung system ng BYD. So yung vanity mirror merong LED na ilaw. So touchscreen po guys yung cabin lights na naka LED din. Of course yung switch dito for the sunroof and other buttons. So even sa pag open and close sa sunroof, pwede mo siyang i-manual or pwede mo siyang i-voice command. So meron ditong sunglasses holder, yung vanity mirror for the driver's side with an LED light. So by the way, black po yung color dito sa cabin. There's a lot of combination na color for this Sea Lion 6. And you can actually change also the colors of the ambient colors. So you can choose by selecting the menu in the infotainment. Okay, so nakikita natin dito yung push start button, start and stop. Then merong mga modes. May dalawang cup holders, malalaki. Yung center console naka leather wrap, light brown yung color, and medyo malalim din yung ano dito guys, yung container for the center console. So napakaganda guys ng upuan, especially yung accent ng color. Very elegant. Kaya siguro marami talagang bumibili dito for the Sea Lion 6, aside na malaki na din yung size niya, very comfortable sa sakyan, and maganda na din yung cabin design dito sa loob, very premium. So this is a plug-in hybrid, so you can actually maximize the battery range of this Sea Lion 6, especially kung yung biyahe mo is within the city lang. So dito naman tayo sa second row, the same accent sa front, and again merong ambient lighting sa front, and at the same time dito naman sa likod. So very spacious guys yung second row. So meron tayong nakikita ditong pocket, both sa driver and passenger na mga upuan. So for the dashboard perspective, very premium po yung makikita natin dito. Ayan, so yung ambient lighting is change no, from different colors. So in terms of the legroom, very spacious, and touchscreen na din yung ilaw dito sa second row. Very spacious kasi medyo malapad yung katawan ni BYD Sea Lion 6, and then 5-seater lang po siya. Alright. So, dito sa second row, may nakikita tayong aircon vents, and of course, Type-C and Type-A na ports. And lagayan of course ng cellphone or packet. So, may center console, dalawang cup holders. So, with the price range na around 1.5 to 1.6 million, depende sa location. Kasi pag dito sa Visayas, meron na siyang handling fee, no, na I think more or less 50,000 as compared to the NCR na price. So this gives you the premium technology, and of course the accessories. Very comfortable in terms of convenience. So dito naman tayo sa likod, naka-LED pa din yung mga ilaw. Ayan, so very elegant yung design, the look and feel of the seats, as well as the colors in the cabin. So yun lang talaga yung comment ko dito guys, no. Yung more or less disadvantage dito, though there are some owners, no, na pinapa-convert nila dito sa likod na magkaroon ng space for the spare tire, kasi yun yung major concern dito pag may problem sa gulong, so wala kang spare tire, so yun yung mahirap, especially pag nasa long drive ka. So of course naka power tailgate yan. In terms of safety, this BYD Sea Lion 6 DMI is equipped with a comprehensive suite of standard safety features, ensuring maximum protection and peace of mind for all occupants. It includes 7 airbags, dual front, dual side, dual curtain, and front center airbag. Advanced driver assistance systems enhance safety further with adaptive cruise control, autonomous emergency braking, and blind spot monitoring. Additional features include child presence detection, door open warning, front collision warning, front cross traffic assist, high beam assist, intelligent speed limit information and control, lane departure warning, lane keep assist, rear collision warning, rear cross traffic alert, and traffic sign recognition. So napakarami po yung specs and in terms of safety and technology dito guys sa BYD Sea Lion 6. Kaya kung mapapansin natin, napakarami na pong tumatakbo nitong this kind of unit, no? And there's a lot of long waiting lines for having this BYD Sea Lion 6. So thank you guys for watching and I hope nagustuhan niyo yung review natin, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, DMV Car Reviews. Bye and God bless!